Good morning, everyone. Here I am Himlata. Today we will study chapter 2 Microorganism, Friend and Foe. And in this, we will start today topic Commercial use of microorganism. In this subtopic is medicinal use of microorganisms. In this, a medicine which stops the growth of or kills the disease causing microorganism is called an antibiotic. And the source of antibiotic medicine are microorganisms. The antibiotics are manufactured by growing specific microorganism. So these days a large number of antibiotics are being produced from microorganisms such as fungi and bacteria. In this, some of the common antibiotics which are made from fungi and bacteria are, we can say that penicillin, streptomycin, erythromycin and tetracycline. Nowadays, many antibiotics are also being made synthetically also. Many different antibiotics are now available to treat a wide variety of disease caused by pathogenic microorganisms. And antibiotics kills the disease causing microorganism, but usually do not damage human body cells. And the first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered by chance and extracted from the tiny fungus, we can say a mold called penicillium. This happened as follows, we can say that in 1929, Alexander Fleming, it is the name of scientist who has discovered the penicillin. Alexander Fleming, he was, we can say, cultivating a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found the spores of a little green fungus in one of his culture plates. He noticed that the presence of a teeny green fungus stopped the growth of disease-causing bacteria. In fact, it also killed many of disease-causing bacteria. From this fungus called penicillium, the medicine which is made from the fungus penicillium. So penicillin control bacterial and fungal infection. Or we can say that antibiotics are used to treat many disease in humans. Antibiotics are, however, not effective against disease caused by virus. For example, antibiotics cannot use to cure disease like common cold, flu and viral fever because these are caused by virus. So it is the medicinal use of microorganism, or we can say that there are many antibiotics which one are used to treat many diseases in animal also. Antibiotics are even mixed with the food of livestock like cattle, cow, buffaloes, etc. and poultry birds to control microbial disease in animals. So antibiotics are also used to control many plant disease also. So we can say that there are many use of microorganism in medicinal field.